Hello students, I am Naira Noor. I welcome you back. In our last video, we discussed about the introduction of LED, what an LED is. And in this video, we will discuss about the construction and working of LED. How we construct an LED and how this LED works, how this LED is capable of emitting light. We will discuss this in this video. This LED, it is, as I have told you, it's made of semiconductor materials like gallium arsenide, gallium phosphide, or gallium nitride. So, if we take gallium arsenide as substrate, and for the substrate, we take substrate as a semiconductor material that we use for the construction of this diode. In this diode, in the LED, we may take the semiconductor material or substrate as gallium arsenide or gallium phosphide or gallium nitride or uh, other semiconductor materials that are capable of emitting light. So what we do, we take the semiconductor material as substrate, then we deposit a p layer on it and an n layer, p and n layers on it. And in between P and N layer, there is an active region, we call it as depletion region. So, a LED diode, light emitting diode, consists of three layers: P layer, P type, N layer, and in between P and N layer, there is another third layer, we call it as active region or depletion region. We know that P type material has holes as majority carriers and n-type material has electrons as majority carriers. So since we have now we now know that the construct how LED is constructed and what are the different layers of LED. Now we can discuss about the working of an LED. This is a this is how a diode looks like. This is a LED diode, P layer, N layer, and this is depletion region or active region. Since we know that light emits from the LED when current flows through it, and we know that in a diode current on flows when we forward bias it. So here we have applied the forward bias to this LED. We have connected P side of the diode with the positive terminal of the battery and N side of the diode with the negative terminal of the battery, and this way the diode is forward biased and now the majority carriers from both the sides, P side and N side, they what they do, they tend to move towards across the junction, electrons from this side N side to P side and holes from P side to N side, and in between there is a depletion region, there is this active region. When electrons and holes enter this region, what they do, they recombine, they merge with each other. But we know that in a semiconductor material, these electrons, these are present in conduction band and holes are present in valence band. For electrons to merge with holes, what they need to do, they need to come back to valence band. And for we know that the energy of conduction band is greater than the energy of valence band. When these electrons they move from conduction band to valence band, and for the recombination, both the electron and hole needs to have same energies. But since an electron has larger more energy than what they do, they release energy in order to recombine with the holes. This energy that is released by the electrons while recombining with the holes, it is responsible for the emission of light. In normal diodes like PN junction diode, what when these electrons and holes recombine, at that time the energy is lost in the form of heat. But in case of LED, the energy lost, it gets converted into light. Energy is released in the form of small packets of energy that we called as photons, packets of light. So in case of an LED, the energy lost during the combination of electrons and holes is converted into light. So in this way, when we forward bias an LED diode, we get light. Light is emitted from the diode. सो सिंपली व्हाट वी डिड, हमने क्या किया, हमने जो डायोड है उसको फॉरवर्ड बायस किया, और जब जो मेजॉरिटी कैरियर्स थी वो अक्रॉस द जंक्शन उन्होंने मूव किया इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और होल्स में, और क्या हुआ, रिकॉम्बाइन हो गया। जब वो मूव कर रही थी, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पी साइड की तरफ जा रहे थे और होल्स क्या कर रही थी, वो एन साइड की तरफ जा रही थी। तो बीच में वो क्या हो गए, वो मिले, अम, मिल गए एंड दे रिकॉम्बाइंड। और रिकॉम्बिनेशन के दौरान इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ने कुछ एनर्जी लूज की, उस एनर्जी वो एनर्जी इन केस ऑफ एलईडी हमें मिल रही है, वो लॉस हो रही है इन केस ऑफ पैकेट्स ऑफ एनर्जी फोटॉन। सो लाइट इमिट हो रही है एलईडी के जरिए। सो दिस इज हाउ एन एलईडी वर्क्स। जैसा यहाँ पे दिखाया गया है कि जो जब यहाँ से इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मूव कर रहे हैं और यहाँ से होल्स, यहाँ पे जो ये रिकम्बाइन हो रहे हैं इस रीजन में, एक्टिव रीजन और डिप्लीशन रीजन में, तो रिकॉम्बिनेशन की वजह से क्या हो रहा है, एनर्जी लॉस हो रही है और लाइट क्या हो रही है, एमिट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फोटॉन्स। और जो हमारा एलईडी है वो क्या ग्लो करता है, वो एक लाइट सोर्स बन जाता है। So this is the simple working of an LED, how it is possible for an LED to emit light. I hope you have understood this. Thank you for watching. In the